How to download code files from ChatGPT 5. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open ChatGPT and you can type in create a web app on Habit Hacker. Then, after you've done that, it will give you some options. Now, what you need to do after this is simply type in organize the project in a folder with all necessary files, and it will give you some code. You can click on preview and then run the app as well. And after you've done that, you can go back to download. What you need to type is simply give me link. Then after that, if it still does not give you the download link, you can type in give you downloadable zip, and after that it will give you the link. You need to simply click on it and download. And this is how to download code files from ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.